So right now we have Meadow pouring in the liquid into the volcano, and this is another angle of the liquid being poured into the volcano by Meadow. And right now I am pouring in the vinegar into the volcano, and Brayden is holding the cup. Um, so it was a little bit of a fail, but here we got Ethan shaking the volcano, and here we got the volcano erupting. It might be a little bit pink, but that is okay. You can see it oozing down. It is so perfect. I think it turned out great. So as you can see, some of the trees are falling down on the volcano, and some of the ooze is coming down and knocking the trees over. And yep, this is a different volcano. It might not be red or orange, but it's okay. And here we got us mixing more powder from the bottle into the volcano, so it erupts even more. And here we got me poking and someone shaking. This is Ethan. And here we got another angle of the volcano from the top of the volcano. As you can see, it's pouring down, and there are a bunch of trees fall down. Yep. And this is the also other angle of me pouring even more oozy in the volcano. This is me poking it and Ethan holding it. As you can see, our volcano turned out perfect. And I think this was the best volcano ever made.